Are you looking for the best running shoes? In the diverse world of running shoes, finding a model that balances cushioning, support, weight, and price can unlock better form, reduced fatigue, and ultimately a more enjoyable run. This comparison evaluates 5 mainstream running shoes across a price spectrum, from budget-friendly daily trainers to premium support models, to help runners select a companion that matches their goals, gait, and
Product number 1. Under Armour Men's Charged. Overview. The Charged Assert 10 is a versatile everyday trainer built around Under Armour's charged cushioning midsole, a breathable mesh upper, and durable rubber outsole. It aims to provide a solid blend of cushioning, flexibility, and value, with a 10mm drop and a weight around 9.5 ounces for a men's model. The shoe is positioned as a reliable neutral daily trainer with room for longer runs or quick sessions, offering a straightforward package without high-end frills. Prospective buyers should note the explicit mention of the chemical warning in California, late-stage compliance labeling. Performance-wise, the Charged Assert 10 delivers a responsive yet forgiving ride thanks to compression-molded charged foam that absorbs impact and promotes a quick transition. The solid rubber outsole targets high-impact zones for durability, making it a pragmatic choice for runners who log higher mileage on pavement and need a durable daily trainer. The 10mm offset supports a natural stride for neutral runners, but it may lack the plushness enthusiasts seek in long-distance daily trainers. The lightweight mesh upper enhances breathability, while synthetic overlays add structure without excessive weight. Overall, it's a solid, budget-conscious option for daily miles and casual workouts.
Product number 2. Aboose Women's Slip-On Sneakers. Overview. The Aboose Slip-On is a budget-friendly, lightweight casual sneaker designed for walking, gym sessions, and travel. Its slip-on construction prioritizes convenience and versatility, making it a compelling option for everyday wear rather than performance running. Priced notably lower than many fitness footwear peers, it targets consumers seeking comfort and ease of use in non-technical settings rather than speed or long-distance performance. In use, the shoe emphasizes a comfortable everyday fit with a flexible sole and unobtrusive silhouette. While it may not feature a dedicated running foam or structured stability system, the lightweight design and casual aesthetics appeal to shoppers seeking an affordable, low-profile sneaker for light activity, errands, and travel. However, for runners who prioritize road-tested cushioning, torsional support, or performance-ready traction, this model may fall short. The value proposition rests on accessibility, ease of wear, and suitability for light exercise rather than serious running workloads.
Product number 3. Brooks Women's Ghost. Overview. The Ghost 16 is Brooks' flagship lightweight neutral daily trainer designed to deliver smooth, consistent cushioning with a soft ride and reliable fit. The model emphasizes a balanced midsole foaming, a breathable upper, and a comfortable foothold for everyday training and moderate tempo work. While exact price isn't listed in the provided data, the Ghost line typically occupies a mid-range price tier and is known for accommodating a wide range of foot shapes with generous fit and a forgiving ride. In use, the Ghost 16 aims for confidence across miles with Brooklyn-based DNA Loft cushioning that blends softness with durability. The ride tends toward plush rather than aggressive, making it a go-to for runners seeking comfort, daily mileage, and longer runs without a heavy, stiff feeling. The neutral last and snug midfoot wrap support a stable platform for varied paces. Runners should expect a broad, accommodating fit, but may find the footprint slightly heavier than more race-focused models. This makes the Ghost 16 a reliable workhorse for training and recovery runs.
Product number 4. Under Armour Men's Charged. Overview. The Charged Surge 4 is a versatile everyday trainer that emphasizes comfort with an enhanced comfort system sock liner and charged cushioning midsole for a balanced blend of cushioning and liveliness. The breathable mesh upper and supportive overlays offer everyday stability for various activities, from gym sessions to light runs. The outsole combines durability with flexible zones to support toe-off and transition. Performance-wise, the Surge 4 targets a practical mix of comfort and responsiveness suitable for runners who value a dependable daily trainer rather than hot-rodded speed. The Deluxe Comfort System sock liner shapes to the foot, enhancing stepping comfort, while the $54.21 price point makes it an attractive option for shoppers seeking a more premium feel than basic budget models without stepping into high-end price brackets. It's particularly well suited for those who want the snug upper with a cushioned midsole for all-day wear and moderate training. The fit around the ankle and foot support is generally favorable, though those seeking aggressive performance features may prefer other models.
Product number 5, Brooks Men's Adrenaline. Overview. The Adrenaline GTS 24 is Brooks' flagship stability trainer, combining guide rail support with DNA loft cushioning for a smooth, controlled ride. It targets runners who need guidance to minimize excessive pronation while maintaining a comfortable, responsive feel. The price of $136.98 aligns with Brooks' premium stability lineup, reflecting advanced support technology, durable materials, and a plush ride intended for daily training and longer runs. In practice, the Adrenaline GTS 24 delivers a confident, stable platform ideal for neutral runners who require some guidance or athletes returning from injury. The guide rail system shifts emphasis from the foot to the leg, reducing movement that could lead to overpronation, while DNA loft cushioning provides a soft, consistent sensation across miles. The ride remains smooth with a balanced weight, and the shoe generally fits true to size with a secure lockdown. Users who need reliable support without sacrificing comfort will find the Adrenaline GTS 24 a strong all-around choice for daily miles, easy runs, and longer sessions.